Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you this very delicious and refreshing Starbucks drink. It's a pineapple, passion fruit, peach, strawberry infusion lemonade that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and refreshing Starbucks drink, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, pineapple, concentrate of peach, flavor and color, lemons, sugar, passion fruit pulp, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this infusion of flavors. A delicious and refreshing lemonade from Starbucks. So let's get started. I want to start here first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I am going to take it to the stove and start cooking the water until the sugar has dissolved completely. This part is very important because when you make your simple syrup, you actually use less sugar than if you just add your granulated sugar. Once it comes to room temperature, just let it rest until it comes to room temperature, and then you are ready to enjoy this amazing syrup. And here I have my organic lemons from my garden. They are very large and they have lots and lots of juice. And this is the part I really love, getting the juice out of my lemons. Look at this. My mouth is already watering. These lemons are so juicy, and with this little gadget, I don't leave anything behind. Let me show you how much juice I am getting from my lemons. Well, here I'm gonna put it aside, and now I'm ready to make this amazing refresher. The combination of all these flavors are an explosion in your mouth. I'm adding my lemon juice, the pinch of salt that is going to really make those flavors really penetrated. Here I added my simple syrup. I'm adding my passion fruit pulp, and of course I don't want to leave anything behind in that little plate. I'm gonna go ahead and add extra water, and of course I'm gonna incorporate it. I have my pineapple. I'm adding a little more of the simple syrup. I have a cup of pineapple, which I'm going to cut in very small little pieces. This is the part that takes longer, slicing and cutting and cubing my pineapple. But let me tell you, this is going to be for garnishing. And here, once I have incorporated everything, I'm going to add the peach concentrate, flavor and aroma of the peach. The color is going to change completely, but the aroma of the peach is so penetrated that I know you guys are really going to love this amazing copycat Starbucks refresher. Look at this, all these flavors in one drink. You have the passion fruit, you have the pineapple, the peaches, the strawberry, the lemon, you name it. Well, here what I'm going to do with my 4 strawberries, I am going to take the little stems off. I'm going to add them into this little plate, and I'm just gonna crush them. I'm going to crush them slowly. I hope they don't leave the plate, but I'm going to go ahead and crush them really good to get those amazing flavors of the strawberry. This really takes time, but let me tell you, when you really push them just like that, the flavors of the strawberries really get penetrated. That's why I decided to do it this way and not cut them in little pieces. Let me show you. I am sure that once you make this amazing refresher at home, you are going to continue refreshing yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Let me tell you, this is going to be just an amazing recipe, and I know you guys are going to love it. Once your strawberries are like puree, then you are ready. But I want to show you the color of the lemonade. I want to bring you very close so that you see it's like an orangey yellow color. The aroma that it's infused with the pineapple, with the passion fruit and the peach concentrate, it really brings those amazing flavors together. And now I'm gonna add the strawberry right on the top, but of course I am going to show you and present to you with the traditional Starbucks cup. I'm adding enough ice, a little bit of the pineapple, some more ice on the top, and of course I'm gonna top it with the strawberry. The strawberry right on the top. I am sure that once you make this amazing recipe, you are going to continue making it at home. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am sure with your help, Cooking with Gloria is going to continue growing. I can't wait to enjoy it, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing copycat, Starbucks copycat of pineapple, passion fruit, peach, strawberry infusion. Of course, from my amazing Starbucks. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipe. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Amazing. When you cook with love and you make these amazing recipes, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Starbucks lemonade, pineapple, passion fruit, peach, strawberry infusion lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.